Right now, you're looking at a sentiment score of minus 0.09, with momentum at minus 0.20. This downward trend is particularly striking because it breaks from our historical baseline, where sentiment typically hovers around neutral. A negative sentiment score like this, paired with declining momentum, flags a notable shift in the financial landscape. Our API returns real-time sentiment analysis from multiple semantic clusters, allowing you to gauge market sentiment effectively. Imagine using this insight to inform your algorithmic trading strategies. Adjusting your positions based on sentiment shifts can give you a competitive edge. For more details on how to integrate this into your workflow, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build smarter with sentiment data.